Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen chopping, slicing, and shredding ingredients? Say hello to the Courant 12-cup food processor, an 800-watt powerhouse designed to revolutionize your meal preparation and elevate your culinary game. Let's dive into why this versatile and powerful food processor deserves a spot in your kitchen. With a generous 12-cup work bowl, the Courant food processor gives you ample space to process large quantities of fruits, veggies, and nuts. Embrace the convenience of a powerful 800-watt motor that effortlessly blends, chops, grates, slices, and shreds your ingredients to perfection. Prepare your favorite meals and drinks in minutes with the desired mixture and consistency. This food processor comes equipped with 3 stainless steel reversible blades, ensuring durability, stain resistance, and excellent cooking performance. Say goodbye to tedious meal preparation as you effortlessly slice and shred vegetables for salads, create textures for soups and sauces, and reinvent pastries with chopped cookies, nuts, and chocolate. With interchangeable blades, you'll always have the versatility and variety needed in your kitchen. Meal preparation becomes a breeze with the Courant food processor. The easy-to-use control panel offers high, low, pulse, and off settings with a soothing blue LED light. Get creative and experiment with various recipes, knowing you have the power and precision to achieve your desired outcomes. Designed to withstand the test of time, this food processor guarantees long-lasting durability. All parts are removable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a hassle-free experience. The Courant food processor is also BPA-free, ensuring the safety of your family and loved ones. Incorporate the Courant 12-cup food processor into your daily kitchen routine and witness the transformation in your culinary experience. From healthy snacks to refreshing drinks, this kitchen companion does it all. Get ready to reinvent the way you prepare your meals and embark on a culinary adventure like never before.